How to check how long you have been subscribed to someone on YouTube. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to check how long you have been subscribed to someone on YouTube. First, head over to YouTube and make sure that you are logged into your account where you want to check your subscriptions. Next, click on your channel icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Google account. This will take you to the Google account associated with your YouTube channel. Now, click on Data and Privacy on the left side. Scroll down a bit and look for YouTube history. Then click on it. Once you're in the YouTube history, scroll down further and click on Manage History. Here you will see all your YouTube history, but to find your subscription, click on Interactions and scroll down. Now, click on Channel Subscriptions. This will show you all the channels you have subscribed to, along with the date you subscribe. You may need to scroll through the list to find the channel that you're looking for, but once you find it, click on Details. You will now see the exact date and time you subscribed to that channel. And that's it. You now know how to check how long you've been subscribed to a YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.